welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to do voice cloning for narration policy safe setup in TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for a policy safe setup on TikTok, you must use AI voice cloning technology on your own voice or voices you have explicit written content to use. Simply obtaining verbal permission is not sufficient for legal and ethical protection. If you want to clone your voice of a celebrity or another individual without a legal contract, it is completely illegal and you can lead to a lawsuit. So if you want to use like cloning voice narrations on TikTok, all you can do is simply go and simply tap on the plus icon, and once you do it, you can simply create a video, and once you have created the video, you can simply tick the button, and once you have done this, you can go in this window screen like option. There you can scroll down and simply do a voiceover. So you can simply do a voiceover with sound effects. You can use different kind of voiceover technology, like you can simply do your voice effect, and once you have done your voiceover in that particular video, you can simply find different voices. These AI voices will now clone your voice in the narration. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.